Now let's see how to do a linear regression calculation using this Casio FX-991 Classwiz Calculator. So as you all know, the regression formula y equals a plus bx, what I am asking in this question is, if the temperature is 40, what will be the ice cream sales? So as my x variable I have the temperature, y I have the ice cream sales. X is the independent variable, y is the dependent variable. So what I am asking, if x is 40, what will be my ice cream sales? So in order to find if the x is 40, what will be the ice cream sales, you should know the a value as well as b value. So let's see how to calculate this a value and the b value using this particular calculator. So first of all, you have to on the calculator, then you have to clear the memory. How to clear the memory? You have to press this shift button and press number 9. So they are asking reset, so you have to reset all, which is there in number 3. So press number 3, then you have to give yes, yes is there in equals, so press equals. Then finally you have to press AC key. So now entire memory is clear. Next what you have to do is press this menu or setup button, and you have to go to this 6, press number 6. So once you press number 6, you will get a screen like this. In this one you have to select y equals a plus bx, so it's there in number 2. Press number 2. Now you can enter your all the x values and y values. So let's enter x values first. 20 equals 25 equals 30 equals 35 equals. Then using these arrow keys, you can go to the top of the y column. So now let's enter y values. 250 equals 300 equals 340 equals 370. Make sure to press equals. So now you have entered all the x values and y values in the calculator. Now you have to press this OPTN button. Next what you have to select is Regression Calc. So Regression Calc is there in number 4. So press number 4. So once you press number 4, you will get a value which is 95. You will get the b value which is 8. So using this formula, you can find what's your ice cream sales if the temperature is 40. So if the temperature is 40, your ice cream sales will be how much? $415. And next question I am asking, what's the correlation coefficient? That means the R value. So you have arrived at the R value also, you got the R value also. How much is that? R is equals 0.99. So this is how you can calculate A value, B value and R value using Casio FX-991EX Classwiz Calculator.